Great news, we've updated the latest ClawLauncher app, which allows you to open OpenClaw without using the terminal. We've updated it, so today, if you go to the More Settings section, you can literally see the directories where all your files are. You can also clear all sessions. This will save you tons of tokens because these sessions contain literally everything you've done in the past. And there's no way of doing this inside OpenClaw. And today, 13th of February, this is my favorite button of all. You can delete config, which basically allows you to reset and relink a new AI provider. So if you chose a cheap provider and you see it's not really working for you and you want to start again, you can delete configuration. Just be aware, when you do this, you need to re-enter your API keys for the new provider. So it will only forget the API provider. It won't forget all your other settings, just your API keys. So just keep that in mind. By the way, when you do delete configuration, it will back it up for you. So you will have a backup of your OpenClaw, meaning you can restore it. If it doesn't work or whatever it is, you can restore it. And now if I click on OpenClaw, start OpenClaw right here, then I will be prompted to start the setup from the beginning. So for those of you having issues, you're not able to get your API key working, this is going to solve your problem. Meaning, if you're actually, see, you'll have to answer these questions again. You see that? You're going to have to do this again because you deleted your because you followed these instructions and you deleted your configuration file. So now you have to start the questionnaire again. That's why I highly recommend you use ClawLauncher using this installer. That way you can always start from scratch if you need to. And we keep updating it. We're currently on version 3, and version 3 gives you all these extra functionality, which allows you to delete your sessions over here, which is fantastic for saving a lot of money. And over here will allow you to start from scratch with a new API, because I've tried inside OpenClaw to do this, and whatever I've tried, it doesn't work. There's no way of changing the original API provider without doing this action here. So highly recommended ClawLauncher. It's only 10 freaking bucks. And just make sure you watch the video after you purchase this. Make sure you watch the video. It just shows you quickly how to use it. Very, very, very easy. First step is click install. Second step is click start. It's really that easy. Then you'll find yourself in the questionnaire, the security questionnaire, and you just start getting set up. Very, 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 very simple. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.